Good morning! We're here at La Union.
Mommy won't live here also.
When Tito Je and I were little, we have a bamboo bahay-bahayan. Just like this. You like it here?
Yeah. My first time riding My right arm's always ouchy.
Why?
It's like a manang, you know?
Why?
Because it keeps doing everything. I buy stuff with it, grab stuff with it, use it for arts, writing, whatever.
How about your left arm?
Resting, being happy. My right arm's like a yaya.
Oy, it's not. Your right arm is the one who's sending help. Your right arm is always doing things for you. You always give it a rest, okay? You say thank you to your right arm.
Thank you.
Also thank you to your left arm. You wouldn't want to have one arm only.
Yeah, but why do I don't even use this? I use this for like
It's a support.
like this.
Yeah, for
I hold
grabbing. Yes.
I hold it like
Don't say that. Baka mawalan ka ng arm.
no, I like my arm.
You say thank you, God, for giving me 2 arms. And it's complete. Love you, God. Thank you, Daddy, for driving for all of us. Thank you, Tita Jeff, for the picture.